Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Python has the right tools, import math and optionally fractions. First, validate inputs are integers and non-negative. You avoid division errors that way. Next, compute the pairwise GCD using math. GCD, it's fast and reliable. Once done, reduce across a list with functools. Reduce to get the HCF of many numbers. Make sure to handle single-value lists and zero values explicitly, so the rest of the steps are predictable and robust. You now compute LCM by leveraging the GCD. LCM, AB equals abs, asterisk B divided by GCD, AB. This formula is why GCD matters. It cancels shared factors and prevents repeated prime work. For many numbers, reduce the LCM pairwise, making sure to use integer floor division so results stay ints. Once done, check for signs and convert to absolute value. This ensures LCM is non-negative. Also, make sure to guard against potential intermediate overflow when you finish by packaging functions that return HCF and LCM for single pairs or lists. Include clear docstrings explaining edge cases, 0, 1, negatives, and empty lists. Then add unit tests that cover typical and extreme inputs so your code stays correct across changes. If something breaks, first verify you used integer division and that GCD handles 0 correctly. Often bugs come from wrong base cases or accidental float division. Once fixed, rerun tests and you're done.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.